What's up guys, and welcome to my Demo and Learn Tech video series. I hope you're all keeping safe during our pandemic and lockdown and not going anywhere. In this series of 10 to 15 minute top class videos, I will be demoing and teaching you about some of the technology we provide to our customers and potentially you. Today I will be doing a high-level overview of IT remote management, monitoring, and automation. We use a sneaky little product called Solarwinds RMM, and that's exactly what I'm going to demo to you. This amazing software allows you to remotely monitor and manage your devices and infrastructure such as workstations, laptops, desktops, access points, routers, servers, services, your software as well, all from a single pane of glass. I'm not talking about your window glass because that would be silly.
I thought my jokes were bad.
It has a wide variety of phenomenal tools that cover almost all bases within your IT environment. It can help you save time, reduce costs, reduce resources required for repetitive tasks, and reallocate certain resources to more important tasks within your business. Whether you have an IT department or not, are a new business or old, the flexibility, scalability, and affordability is definitely for you. Anyways, enough of the boring talk. Let's get to the cool stuff.
Let's start here with the left-hand side of the panes. This is your tree view of everything that's in your organization from a site/customer business unit point of view. It's customers for me. It'll be either business units or you would run this through your sub companies. You can add clients, you can remove clients, you can add sites, but obviously put it in maintenance mode, add tasks, apply monitoring templates as a whole instead of having to select everything, individually over here, which will be a pain. To the right of this, we have all the devices broken down into categories. Now you can see you have your servers, your workstations, your mixed environments. This will have everything, which includes all the mobile devices, network devices, services, and networks. I'll go through all of this stuff in detail in a future video. It's actually pretty cool. As you can see here, it tells you whether you have errors, whether you have checking problems, what services are failed, what is active, what isn't, and if you see here your last boot times and your last response. So this is cool because if you are monitoring remote staff, you can actually see if, I know it's a bit micromanagey, but you can actually see when last they were online or when last they rebooted. Usually any connection would alert us or alert you that there has been a response from the computer. Obviously some of these other add-ons would further increase your visibility into what exactly they're doing, but it's basically just to make sure that people are doing or are working the way they're supposed to be. If you look here at the bottom, this is a broken down section of all the devices. So if you look here, it'll show you certain checks. Here's your notification, so you can send it by emails if there's a problem, or SMS if it's recovered, how it recovered, what it did, because there's an auto remediation feature in here. As you can see, these are all the checks for your services and all that kind of stuff. You have your summary of the actual device. It's very detailed, as you can see. Checks, the IP address, this is all in a summary format. Notes section is where you'll put notes for the devices. Your tasks is where your automated tasks will be. As you can see here, there's a task that's an automatic data breach scan task that we've put here. You can add other automated tasks. Your assets are obviously all the hardware and software combined of the device. You see hardware, you see your software over here. It's also pretty detailed, like it has the advanced monitoring agent, and then you have all these other little programs or pieces of software that I've installed or that Windows has installed to a very detailed point of view. Your patch management is over here, so it'll tell you what patches have been updated, what exactly you need to update the patches on, and what patches are missing. So this is where you'd go like approve, deny, do nothing, ignore, if you don't want something to be updated, which is not really recommended because it's a security threat in basically every single program that doesn't get updated. Let's have a look here to the left of us. This is your window pane, or your window menu as I call it. It has your dashboard, the devices in detail. It has the ability to filter, so you can basically set filters for your tree view. This net path is actually a separate product. We'll go through that some other time. It has your asset tracking, so this is pretty cool. It tells you kind of what is where, or what is on, what is not. So I mean, it's pretty cool because you can actually pull a report of this. If say you're missing computers or you haven't received responses from computers, it's pretty cool that it also shows you the role over here. And here's another tree view of everything. Very detailed, very easy. There's your wall chart. So now this is all your devices put together in one easy view so that you can see exactly what's going on. Let's go back to the dashboard quickly. I want to show you. Yeah, so you have all your summaries and graphical view of everything. It's also quite detailed. Yeah, so let's go back to this view quickly and let's quickly check the menu bar at the top here. So you have your file menu. This is where you can add your business units. You can add your sites here, you add your devices. This is where you download the agents. The mobile device management is actually very detailed, which is pretty cool. We'll go through that in another session. Add your checks, add your services. The service is basically the services that the software here is capable of. So it's got Office 365 backup. It's got a whole bunch of other stuff that you can actually select. We'll go through that in detail more. This is just an overview of what exactly it looks like and how you can relate to it, and if you can start seeing where it fits into your environment, which is everywhere. Let's check this the edit tab. You can edit your clients, delete your clients or business units. In my case, it's my clients. Edit your servers, edit your checks in bulk, apply monitoring templates to bulk systems and devices. The task management to run, add, edit, delete tasks. Your view is basically just an extension of the side view over here. If you check your reports, this is where you build all your reports from. So, and it's very detailed. So all of these kind of have the summaries and then the device, the device details and maybe usage reports depending on what happens. Or I mean, you can see here it's very detailed. It pretty much gives you exactly what you need from a general perspective up front, and then if you want to divulge deeper into what you're looking for, that's where you'll select certain devices. We'll go through that another time. The settings tab is your main ally here. So what you'll do here is this is where you will configure and set up and activate certain services, set policies, edit certain services. It's quite user friendly. This is obviously also where you add your users. Your mail templates is how you want to receive the error alerts or the recovery alerts or the service alerts or the reports that you receive every day, week, month, year, whatever. That's how this will come to you. So basically you can set it up to say, if you don't need all the nitty-gritty information, you can set it up to just say this has failed, this is why, this is how you can fix it, that kind of thing. Or unless you anal and want exact detail, this is why it broke, this is why you need to fix it, this is how you fix it, certain things like that. The agent is where you'll download the agents for the devices. As you can see here, you can also do so this will be your monitoring template for bulk devices that you want to kind of install a generic template and monitoring tool across your whole environment. This is where you do that. It's got obviously the release notes, so what's new. here you got your remote access. You have the take control, which is the Solarwinds main version of a team viewer. You can actually do quite a lot with this. You can do background, you can do application support. Basically, someone can be working and you can work in the background of their computer. It's pretty cool. And if you have team viewer, you can integrate your team viewer here. It's also here if you see. So this is the current computer I'm using, and it has team viewer, which it has picked up here. So all the statistics and time used on team viewer, what the information was, gets stored here straight from team viewer. This tab will leave for now. This is actually a separate product of ours as a whole, so we'll go through that another time, and you don't need to worry about these two in the meantime. So to kind of close off this demo, let's have a look here at the top right. So this is where you'll find all the information you need, all the notifications, like it's telling me to, you know, protect myself with two-factor authentication. The support center is you can actually start a chat immediately with someone from the support center directly, almost instantly, which is actually pretty cool, and it's actually helped a few of our customers quite a bit. And then this is all the other products that you can select as an add-on with the integration of this. So guys, that's it for today. If you like this, give a like, share it. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike. Tell us what you didn't like, tell us what you did like, tell us what you'd like to see in the future. If you want to contact us because you're interested in the product, I will put my details below in the description. So go there and have a look. And yeah, stay safe, guys. Keep it real, and we will check you soon.